Kavaca is a new high-tech PPF product line from NanoShine Limited, the manufacturer of the world's leading multifunctional nano-ceramic coating, Ceramic Pro. It is a high-performance aliphatic polyurethane film specifically designed to protect painted surfaces from abrasion, corrosion, chemicals, and other types of physical damage, as well as to improve their visual appearance. The word Kavaca comes from a Sanskrit word, armor, which is perfect to describe the purpose of this product's line. Many years of experience in the industry of surface protection and extensive research allowed us to formulate a perfect PPF to be used along with Ceramic Pro coatings to maximize the performance of our surface protection systems. It can be used in combination with Ceramic Pro protective coatings or as a standalone product. Now Kavaca product line consists of two types of PPFs, Kavaca Instant Healing and Kavaca Ceramic Coated. The first one features a special ability to quickly recover from minor scratches. What's even more amazing about it is that it does this automatically without any additional conditions such as heating. Kavaca Ceramic Coated, on the other hand, provides an outstanding hydrophobic effect and gloss, which Ceramic Pro coatings are famous for. Such distribution of properties allows choosing the most suitable type of PPF and its functions for any specific task. Kavaca PPFs are manufactured with use of only top-quality raw materials in a high-tech facility equipped with the most advanced machinery and highly qualified personnel. Our production process requires a dust-free environment that is strictly maintained at the manufacturing facility. Some of the technology and machinery responsible for Kavaca's outstanding quality and features are unique and are considered secret. To develop PPF products worthy of being an addition to Ceramic Pro coatings, numerous tests have been conducted in a state-of-the-art research and development facility, established and funded by the government of the Republic of Korea. Testing continues on a constant basis for the reasons of quality control and development of even better products in the future. Looking for the best paint protection film on the market? It's time for you to learn the new word in the industry of surface protection: Kavaca.